Thanks for checking out our Biofarm tutorials. In this video, we will be going over the best methods to clean your AeroXPS. So let's get started. After completing a grow cycle in your AeroXPS, it's time for a cleanup to help maintain your device. To begin, drain your system of any leftover liquids. To prepare your cleaning solution, we recommend a mixture of 1 cup household chlorine for every gallon of water. Next, fill your system with at least 2 gallons of your cleaning solution. On the GrowOS app, follow priming instructions and run a grow plan with the cleaning solution in the system for at least 1 hour. This will help ensure the circulation system is thoroughly cleaned. After an hour has passed, stop the grow plan and wipe the sides of the root chamber with the cleaning solution in a clean towel or washcloth. Next, remove the nozzles by pushing the quick connectors back and pulling the nozzles out. Once removed, wipe the nozzle holders. Before continuing, drain your XPS. Take your nozzles and rinse them under fresh water. To clean the nozzles, unscrew the nozzle to separate its 4 parts. The parts are very small, so take care not to misplace them. Clean with running water and dry each part individually. Make sure to remove any excess nutrient solution and reassemble the nozzle. Next, screw the spare elbow connector included with your unit into the temperature control intake port. You can refer back to your manual for the parts list on your XPS. Introduce one end of the included draining tube into the connector and bring the other end to the outside of the AeroXPS. Connect it to the drain tube connector and open the release valve. Next, fill your system with at least 2 gallons of your cleaning solution. Install the nozzles back into the unit, making sure the nozzles are in place by pulling it gently without pushing the quick connector. The nozzles should not fall out. On the GrowOS app, turn off the temperature control. On the home menu, click on the temperature settings and change the mode to off. Make sure to save the changes. Play the grow plan for a couple of minutes to have the unit run again. Water will start running out of the temperature control return. After a few minutes, stop the grow plan. Change the temperature control settings back to chilling. Close the drain valve and remove the draining tube. Then manually drain the system by removing the manual nutrient drain cap. Finish off by drying the root chamber with a cleaning towel to help dry completely. Finally, to finish cleaning your XPS, clean the lid with a damp towel or disinfectant wipes. And that's it for our best methods to cleaning your AeroXPS. Make sure to check out our other Bioform tutorials and subscribe to our channel and newsletter in the description below for more updates.